Today I'm going to be making my son's favorite YouTuber's burger. That's right, Mrbeast burger. What else am I going to be making you?
Beast fries!
That's right, beast fries. And I'm going to be cooking them in tallow. Joey, why don't you show him how Mrbeast makes his burgers? I think I can do that. Seems fairly simple. Let's go through all the steps and make you an awesome hamburger. What do you say?
Yes.
Are you super excited?
Yes.
Do you think Mrbeast is going to see this video?
Probably not.
You're probably right. He's got a lot of things to do. He's got a full plate. But if you guys stick around to the end of the video, I'll show you how you can win $10,000. That's right, $10,000. All you have to do is stick around to the end of the video.
Nope.
What? I'm not going to give you $10,000. But if you do stick around to the end of the video, I will show you how you can win a t-shirt. That's the best I can do. I don't have $10,000 to give you or myself. I have my oil heating up. Right now, to start off with cutting the onion. We're gonna cut it in half. We're gonna cube these up. Simplest way to cut an onion, right here. Into little cubes. All right, now let me give you a quick rundown on how we're gonna do this. Right here, I have 80-20 ground beef. This is ground chuck and ground short ribs. I have American cheese, only the finest cheese for this. We have the onions that we just diced up, pickle slices, salt and pepper. I have my split top brioche buns. I know you like my buns. Everybody likes my buns. Duke's mayonnaise, ketchup, spicy brown mustard. Grab your balls with your spatula. Bring it over to there.
And drop.
Drop it. I like to salt it. There we go. Now from there, throw a little pepper on there.
So
Right there.
there. There.
All right. Flip. Again, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Since it's square, I like to fold in the corners like this. You ready?
Melt the cheese.
Melt the cheese. This plate, that's our base, that's our top. We're gonna layer. You're just over here just slopping it together like you're McDonald's. All right? This here is a proper beast burger.
Why are you wearing glasses?
Mrbeast burger. Get some. Okay, here we go. This is gonna be a giant mess, so wish me luck. All right, now I'm gonna pull these out for a minute. I'm gonna set them off to the side for now. Let them cool down just a bit. Whilst this oil heats up again, then I'm gonna refry them. Here we go.
Now we have to stir them. Give me it.
Right, mate. All right, there we go.
There we go.
Okay, so. They are crispy. You can hear it. Pickles.
Nice.
Onions. 2 slices of cheese. Move it around. Squeeze. Zigzag this way. That's it. Okay, Joey, tell me what you think of your birthday dinner, Mrbeast burger and beast fries.
Alright, take a bite of the burger first.
Upside down, unconventional, but I like it.
So good. We're gonna use a fork for the fries because I'm not digging my hand in this.
Get yourself some goodness. All right.
Oh yeah, crispy, crunchy, Mrbeast style. Ketchup, mayonnaise, and mustard. All of them combined have the best flavors.
It's crazy because you're a kid that doesn't generally like having anything on his hamburgers or fries. And you like this, huh? The beast combination's for you then, right? Apparently. He can't talk because he's stuffing his mouth.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Don't joke.
Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Would you eat this?
Mrbeast, I need you to @ him so that he could see this video and possibly help me give you a contest to win $10,000.
Probably not.
Probably not gonna happen, but still, worth a shot. You might win $10,000. The whole reason that this occurred is yesterday I took my son to the reptarium. Brian at the reptarium has collabed with Mrbeast in the past before and has actually given him some snakes to do in some of his challenges. Like, share, subscribe, leave a comment down below. Tag Mrbeast for me on Twitter, Instagram, whatever other things that you can. Tag me as well. You could be the lucky recipient of a t-shirt. Please check out my merch store right here. And I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks.